Hey guys, Alan Corey here. Welcome to the House of AC. Thanks for tuning in to my first video on my channel. And I just want to start this whole series of videos with a disclaimer and say that my success in real estate investing and that I'm going to teach you is very much a product of all my privileges I've had in my life. If real estate investing was a video game, I played on the easiest setting, and I recognize that. And what do I mean by that? Well, you know, I've been very privileged in being born in the United States, being male, having white skin, having two-parent household, great schools, great safe neighborhood. These advantages help me everyday life. Definitely help me in real estate investing, and I understand that not everyone has these privileges. My bottom, like when I think about, oh, should I do this deal? There's some risk involved. My worst case scenario was, oh, I may have to live in my parents' basement. No, they wouldn't have wanted that. I wouldn't have wanted that. But that's a different bottom that most people have. You know, maybe they take risk, and then if this doesn't pan out, they won't be able to feed their children, or they may have to move. Those were thoughts I never had to deal with, and these are advantages. You know, and also even today, as a real estate investor, as a realtor, I just drive slow, and I creep, you know, do a creepy drive, or I'm peeking into every house, so, you know, looking at the driveways and active construction sites and what renovations are happening, any abandoned homes that might be coming for sale soon. I do this every single day, and I've never had to think that the police would be called on me, or that I'd make a neighbor feel uncomfortable. You know, Ahmaud Arbery here in Georgia did that. Was doing the exact same things that I do every single day. He walked onto an active construction site, which I do because I'm nosy. I want to know what's being built, what's going to be sold here. And he got chased and shot and killed because of the color of his skin. That's what it boiled down to. He was doing the exact same stuff that I do every day, but I'm white and he's not. These are serious issues, and I know that you're going to have disadvantages that I didn't have, but that's why this channel's here. I want to educate. I want to help level the playing field. I want to bring more diversity into real estate. You know, the more transactions I do and the higher I climb, it's more people that look like me. And I'd love to get more women involved, people of color. And it doesn't matter your background, but with hard work and with knowledge and action, you can change your outcome. You can improve your outcome. So you may not go to the highest of heights, but you can definitely have a stronger bank account, have the options to retire early, give you options through real estate to help you follow your dreams, whatever they may be. I really do believe that. And so just by making some of the steps and doing what you can change your life. And that's what I'm here to teach you. So thanks for giving the House of AC a shot, and look forward to teaching you real estate and learning together. So thanks for tuning in.